All right, guys, let's do one more. If you don't need this, then you can just move on. So this has two parts. So it says in the complete reaction of 22.9 grams of sodium, so 22.99 grams of sodium plus 35.45 grams of chlorine. What mass of sodium chloride, right? So what mass of sodium chloride is formed? How many grams? That means grams, right? Of Na, this is actually a 2 here, NaCl. How much of that will I get? Well, if it says a complete reaction, these are code words. Complete reaction here means everything got used. All sodium used, all chlorine was used, right? So all we're going to do is add that up. So we're going to do 22.99 plus 35.45, okay? So our mass of NaCl is 58.44 grams. All right, because of that code word, those code words, complete reaction. So let's look now at letter B. This says a 12.2 gram sample of X. So it doesn't even tell us what it is. A 12.2 gram sample of something called X reacts with, there's the plus, going to be in my equation, reacts with a sample of Y. Oh, a sample of Y, okay, to form 78.9 grams of XY. All right, what's the mass of Y? Mass of Y. Now, we know that according to the law of mass conservation, that the mass of this plus the mass of this is going to give me the mass of my compound. So here, if I know how much was made, right, and I'm not given any other information, then I'm going to subtract. So the math will be 78.9 grams minus 12.2 grams. Let's pick up our calculators. 78.9 minus 12.2. So I write all that out, right? So this tells me that the difference there is 66.7 grams of Y. 66.7 grams of Y is the answer to that, right? So we add, if it's a complete reaction, right? Another code word that we need to listen for is if we're told that we have an excess reactant. Excess reactant means there are going to be leftovers of that, and we might not know how much it is. And we might not even know how much we started with. So that's a code word. This idea of complete reaction is also, right? It's a code word, right? Saying that we used everything in this section. That's how we're going to talk about that. Okay? All right.